Hello and welcome to Knowledge and Quiz Universe. In our ongoing series of the World Heritage Sites of India, this is the part 4 of the World Heritage Sites in India. So let us begin with the questions. The Kaziranga National Park is in which state of India? Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland or Manipur? The correct answer is Assam. The Kaziranga National Park is a national park in the Golaghat and Nagaon districts of the state of Assam. The Kaziranga National Park is famous for which particular animal? Elephant, one-horned rhinoceros, tiger or red deer? The correct answer is one-horned rhinoceros. The Kaziranga National Park is situated on the banks of the river Manas, Brahmaputra, Barak or Subansiri. The correct answer is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is a main river that flows through Assam, and Kaziranga National Park is situated on the banks of Brahmaputra river. The Kaziranga was designated a reserve forest in the year 1903, 1908, 1915 or 1920. The correct answer is 1908. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is in which Indian state? Manipur, Sikkim, Nagaland or Assam? The correct answer is Assam. Kanchenjunga National Park, also known as Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, is in which state? Manipur, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh or Assam? The correct answer is Sikkim. Which monastery is located in the Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve buffer zone? Phansing, Podong, Kartok or Tholang? The correct answer is Tholang. In the middle of in the buffer zone of the Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, there is a monastery, and that monastery, the name of that monastery is Tholang Monastery. If you are getting to learn something, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Let us go to the next question. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Parks are in which state? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim or Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Valley of Flowers National Park was established in the year 1982, 1987, 1993 or 1998. The correct answer is 1982. Which river flows through the Valley of Flowers National Park? Pushpavati, Saraswati, Nandakini or Mandakini? The correct answer is Pushpavati. Pushpavati river flows through the Valley of Flowers in Chamoli district in Garhwal region of the Indian state of Uttarakhand. It is a name very easy for you to remember. Pushp means flower. Pushpavati river flows through the Valley of Flowers, right? So it is easy to remember. Pushpavati flows through Valley of Flowers. Who was the first to discover the Pushpavati River Valley? Bill Tillman, Eric Shipton, Frank A. Smythe, or Colonel Edmund Smythe? The correct answer is Colonel Edmund Smythe. In 1862, the Pushpavati River Valley was discovered by Colonel Edmund Smythe. Who was the first to name the valley as the Valley of Flowers? Bill Tillman, Eric Shipton, Frank S. Smythe, or R. L. Holsworth? The correct answer is Frank S. Smythe. Bill Tillman, Eric Shipton, Frank S. Smythe, these people were the mountaineers. And Frank S. Smythe was an English mountaineer, author, photographer, and botanist. And he is best remembered for his mountaineering in Alps and Himalayas. And the story says that they lost their way and then they came across this valley which was filled with flowers, and he named this region as Valley of Flowers in his book which he wrote in 1931. So he was the first person to call this region or name this region as the Valley of Flowers in his book which he wrote in the year 1931. The Great Himalayan National Park is in which state? Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, or Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. The Great Himalayan National Park is a national park in India located in the Kullu region of the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. The Great Himalayan National Park was established in the year 1980, 1984, 1987, or 1989. The correct answer is 1984. Notification by the state of Himachal Pradesh of the intention to create the Great Himalayan National Park with buffer zone was produced in the year 1984. The capital complex is in which Indian city? Delhi, Chandigarh, Gurugram, or Ghaziabad? The correct answer is Chandigarh. Who designed the Chandigarh Capital Complex? Herbert Baker, Le Corbusier, William Emerson, or Arthur Shoesmith? The correct answer is Le Corbusier. Which of the following is a part of the Chandigarh Capital Complex? The Open Hand Monument, Geometric Hills, Tower of Shadows, or all of the above? The correct answer is all of the above. Keoladeo National Park is located in which state of India? Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, or Haryana? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Keoladeo National Park or Keoladeo Ghana National Park is also known, or formerly was known as, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It is popularly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. And this particular bird sanctuary is located in the Bharatpur, in Bharatpur in the state of Rajasthan. So with this, we have to the end of our today's video. If you got to learn something, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. See you again.